Marquez is closing all the time. He's attacking up the inside of Marquez. Marquez comes through the final corner. Dovizioso has done it here in Japan. Will be king of the island. It's crucial. It's kept the championship alive here in Malaysia. What a season he.
Setelah menemani perjalanan dunia balap selama 38 tahun, akhirnya sang legenda memutuskan untuk mengakhiri karyanya di musim ini. Suara khas yang memeriahkan jalannya kompetisi para pembalap motor dunia tak akan terdengar lagi di musim depan. Demi mengucapkan MotoGP berhasil mengunjungi Nick Harris dalam tugas terakhirnya di Valencia. Mari kita tengok obrolan bersama pria pemilik suara di balik deru MotoGP. Momen apa yang paling tak terlupakan dalam MotoGP?
Cal Crutchlow winning the Czech Republic Grand Prix last year because we'd waited 35 years for a British rider to win. And I was there in 1981 when Barry Sheik did win in Sweden. Bradley Smith winning in Jerez because he comes from my hometown of Oxford. I've known him since he was 10 years old. Sete Gibernau winning in South Africa just a couple of weeks after his teammate Dejiro Kato had been killed at Suzuka. That was amazingly emotional.
Lalu, apa rencana setelah pensiun?
Plan after this, still be involved, not travelling to all the races. I plan to write a book. I will be doing some voiceovers for Dorna and generally just having a look. I need to really go home, sit down and sort things out a little bit.
Siapa yang akan dirindukan setelah pensiun?
The riders in this paddock are an incredible bunch of sportsmen. Not just for their talent, which is exceptional, but of course for the way they are, the bravery and everything else. So it's been privilege is the word really to work with them all and to work in this championship.
Bisakah Anda mencontohkan kata ikonik dalam setiap komentar?
I think the word, the expression that's come through so much this year is never say never. I love that expression. On the brakes, I don't know if you've seen the video the riders made, Tito Rabat and Paul Espargaro, they speak more Nick Harris than I do. They're absolutely brilliant.
Pronto, sorry Nick. Before you start, we have a surprise for you. Because it's your last Grand Prix, so...
Ternyata bukan hanya tim MotoGP Trans 7 yang membuat perpisahan untuk Nick. Dalam press conference di Valencia, Nick Harris diberi kejutan oleh para rider yang berada di sekelilingnya. Nick diminta untuk maju ke area interview oleh Vario